Friends, today I am going to tell you how you can create subdomain and upload WordPress in that subdomain. So this is my cPanel. Here I will go first down here in domains. I will go to subdomain section. This is this one. I will click on it. I will create a subdomain by typing any name. This is the health. This is my actual domain name, digital-today.com. So I will just, this is the link, health.digital-today.com. this is subdomain. I just need to create it. You can see success, it has been successfully created. Click on go back. This is the subdomain which you can see here. You can click on this. This is its location in cPanel. You can see this. So now I need to add WordPress in this, right? So let's go here now. Go to again on cPanel. You need to scroll down. In software you can see WordPress managed by Softculus. So you can click on it. You can install it. You can see this is my primary domain. It's showing upgrade the version. Change the URL here. Click on install first. Herein you will get this option, like after clicking it you will get this subdomain here. It will show HTTP or HTTPS. It's up to you which one you need to select. Let it be HTTPS. So it's saying SSL was not found, so let's go for HTTP only. Okay, so there is no issue. You can go for quick installation. You can type in the site name. Okay, so you can type this username, password. You can change it anytime. You can click on hide and type anything. Okay, so this is the email ID. Let it be. Okay, so admin should be my name. Okay, this should be password, and here you can just organize. These are the themes. You can select any one of those. Okay, select this theme. Okay, and just click on you can enter your email ID here and to get the details, and click on install. You can see it's installing. the process is very easy. You can see, congratulations, the software was successfully installed. Click on this. You can see my health block is live now. You can see this is subdomain health.digitaltoday.com. so this is posted. You can log in to your WordPress blog, WP admin. You need to write like this. Click on enter. You need to use your username and password. You can see from here you can do all the required changes in your blog. So this will work perfectly fine for you. You can do all the things. You can change the theme, you can create post, you can do all the things. You can use plugins for this subdomain as well. So I hope this would be a helpful video for you for creating your subdomain and managing it. In case you face any problem, just let me know and I will do my best to resolve your issue. Thank you for watching this video, friends. Bye bye and take care.